noticing it. Because y'all can see things before people who are filming can see it. I guess y'all know that, right? I'm going to use this a little more. Sigma's so good, y'all. They don't have no falling off hairs. They're just really good brushes. Okay. And I just like to get under there real good just so that it, you know, doesn't have that white fatty look underneath. But don't overcolor it so that it just stands out either, you know. You just want to make sure you also blend down. And again, that is the Too Faced Love Flush, and this color is called Your Love is King, and it's the most purpley color, I think, in that particular line of blushes with Too Faced. Okay, now I'm going to use this color from City Color Cosmetics. It's a shimmer shadow, and it's called All Eyes on Me. And I'm real tempted to use my finger, y'all. I don't like it already because it doesn't have a mirror. Boo. Let's just see if it works well having me use my finger, because it looks very shimmery. And I was just going to put it on the lid. Okay, it looks like it has really good pigment. It's exactly what I wanted to do. I'll even do a second one just for, I don't know, kicks and giggles. Doesn't really need it. It really didn't need it. Honestly, this is all I really need for today. I don't even need to have a transition color or even a highlighter, because it's just leaving the lighter color up there. I like this, y'all. It's again from City Color Cosmetics. It's a shimmer shadow. It's a beautiful bronzy color. And it's called All Eyes on Me. And I'm liking it. And I'm just using my finger. And a lot of times skin to skin really is better for putting on makeup. Like, it's really better for you to put on your foundation. If you want to know the truth, it's better for you to put your foundation on with your hands, because they're warm and they kind of emulsify the product and make it easier to go on. Here, I'm just going to get this in here a little bit too. Just in the front, just because I'm poochy lately in the eye duct area. So I'm just going to kind of blend that out. And really, that's plenty. I'm going to just kind of, with my finger, kind of rub that up and away. And a little bit got in the inner corner, and that's okay, because it actually has a bit of a shimmer to it. Maybe I should do a little underneath. That's not easy to do with your finger. That was pretty amazing of me. Just get your fingers wider is all I mean. Ah, see how I just made a boo-boo? Up, out. And now is when you would need your makeup, what am I trying to say, towel. I need some coffee, y'all. I'm just now getting where I could drink coffee. Yesterday I didn't even fill up for that. This is really good. I like this, y'all. City Color Shadow. Maybe I'll take a picture, because it says show us how you rock your City Color Shadow with hashtags City Color Shadow. So maybe I will. Maybe I will. Alright, now I'm going to use Smashbox's Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. I guess that's black. And I'm going to tightline first, which is to go under the lashes. And this just very lightly, just be careful not to poke your eye. Just ride your lash line. All it is it's catching color under there. I don't know if you can even see much of a difference, but it just catches color under the lash. It kind of colors that fleshy color in, so that if you line, it looks better. Makes your lashes look a little blacker because you're filling in between them. And then I'm also going to do this on the waterline. I don't feel good, y'all. Why am I even bothering to do makeup? Because I miss y'all and I miss makeup. I think makeup's fun. Like, this is actually fun for me to put this on my waterline. Is that weird? And also, when you look in the mirror and you look better, it does help you to feel better. It's sort of like when you get up out of the bed. I really could have stayed in bed all day. That's how not good I'm feeling. But I thought, no, get up. You need to get up and put some clothes on and put, what did I do with my lip product? Put some clothes on and do a video or something. Just, I'm going to put on this Silky Rose again. I love this. I hate that Chanel quit carrying this color. I don't think there's anything really like it. It's truly a, like, I don't know, purple pink. I don't like it. It could have been my first favorite. Y'all know Soft Rose is, but this is pretty good. Coloring for me. So it kind of irks me that once again they were tired of a color. I know that they have to, you know, keep up with the latest thing. I'm having a hard time believing this didn't sell. I am. How's that? Looks good. Y'all don't know where I just went mentally. Y'all ever do that? I want to put some more color on. Oh, it's so quiet. I was also trying to get this really pigmented, because this may be the last swipe of it. Yeah, I don't think I have much left. So that's it. This is not the colors that I was going to do today at all. I was going to do a Chanel palette. I'll do it tomorrow. But can I tell you? This color looks good. It looks good with the shirt. Okay, so I did my liner. Now I need to do my brow. I need to go easy on my brow. I realized when I wore this color the other day, it kind of, like, was overwhelming. I need to blend this out. I was just looking at it. And maybe use this too. Just a little whatever's left over on this brush because I haven't washed it. Here we go. Add a little bit of highlighter on it. I don't want to necessarily put on a lot of highlighter, but I do want to blend there. Just so it doesn't look so, you know, half vote. That's good enough. I'm going to wipe it off on my makeup towel. And also, I don't know. I'm going to do some mascara and some liner. I'm not going to do liner today. I just decided since I tight lined, I don't need to. But I do need to do my brows. Something just occurred to me if I could use this color for my brows. Probably. But we're going to use this. Yeah, this is too dark. But at least it will, can you just tell I'm so not feeling good? I'm not finishing sentences. Of course, that's normal for me, but, you know. I mean, like, really bad not finishing. There's a spoolie brush. I was going to say, make sure you always have a spoolie brush handy. And that way you can just kind of brush out the heaviness, the heavy color. And kind of get it to... God, look at all these brush hairs. That's really kind of making me mad. Morphe, I'm not a fan. Oh my gosh, look at all these. Look at that one hanging. Oh my gosh, look at all these. This is terrible. Okay, I'll have to get that later, y'all. That's a lot of hairs. I don't have time for this right now on camera. Just know that I'll get them off. I see them. I think I see them. Are y'all sitting there going, Beth, there's one again. There's one. Go to the right. Go to the right. There's another one on my cheek. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of fallout for a brush, y'all. That's too much. That's not okay. I'm forgiving, but I don't think I will be a huge fan of these. I know that's just one brush is what y'all are thinking, but I don't know. I'm not as big a fan as everybody else is. I do like my, okay, no, wait a minute. There was a, oh, here it is. This is a mascara I wanted to try. It's called Rodeo Glamolash, and it's Mascara XXL. It's probably not waterproof, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury eyelash curler because I love it. I do love this color on me, y'all. I feel like it's nice and bright and pretty. Doesn't really go with this blush at all. It's more purpley. This is much more pinky coral. So tonally, it barely goes. Maybe it does a little bit. Let's curl these backwards a little bit, back towards the eye socket. So what you do is just pull out a little bit and then lift your hand so it goes back towards the socket, and that'll be good enough for today. So how was y'all's New Year's? Did y'all have any fun things? Comment below what you did for New Year's. If you didn't do anything, that's okay. I actually think that's, I mean, I know a party's fun. I know if you like go downtown to any city and watch a ball drop or a peach drop like in Georgia or New York, Times Square, you know, almost any city has something that they do for the 4th of July. I mean, for New Year's, fireworks or whatever, and there's nothing wrong with that. But there's also nothing